I think there's something really important about sitting with a question that stumps you. Specifically, creative questions. Questions about growth and originality and brand identity. There's something really important about saying, I don't know how I got this big, but I know I didn't get it from reading some listicle about the top 10 pieces of advice for growing my followers on Instagram or YouTube. And when we read those garbage pieces of advice, which have been done over and over and over again and have worked for some people, but will no longer work because they've been used, is that we let one of our creative muscles atrophy. The creative muscle that thinks in the meta, that thinks about the overarching picture. Yes, we may have creative content in our videos and our posts, but our structure looks the same as everyone else. Because we take all our strategic advice from BuzzFeed or from the bloggers on Medium. So sit with the questions that stump you. If you don't know how to gain more followers more quickly, good. Figure it out yourself. And the answer will be different for you. And the beauty of this is that if you don't figure out the answer, no one notices. But if you do have the answer, you have something to share with the world. And people will gobble it up. But the smart people, the creative thinkers, will understand that the only reason you found the answer is because you didn't look for it. And they'll do the same.